The AP exam allows you to use your calculator in a few different ways, and it is expected that you are able to find the derivative both by hand and by using your calculator. And so what I'm about to show you now is the way that you need to be able to find the derivative using your calculator. So what we're going to do is mess with the function y equals x squared. So if I wanted to find the derivative of this using my calculator, I'll go to the graph menu and I'll just type in y equals x squared, and notice that it's currently stored in y1. And then I'll quit out of this. And what I'd like to do is find the derivative of x squared. And I'd like to find the derivative of x squared at the point x equals 2. So, if I go Math and scroll down to option 8 to end derive, I'm going to hit Enter. And so now it's ready to find the numerical derivative of our function. Now I could type in a lot of things right now, but the notation is first end derive and then the function. And the function I wanted, I typed into y1, so now I'm going to hit vars, slide over 1 to y vars, choose function, and I want to use the function I typed in y1. So there's the function, y1, which I set to be x squared. Now it's a comma, and I'd like to find the derivative with respect to x, because that's my variable, comma, and we said we'd like to find the derivative at the x value 2, close parentheses. Notice the notation, end derive, I've got the function, y1, find the derivative with respect to x, that's my variable, and the last thing is at the value of 2. And when I hit enter, I get 4. So this is telling me that when the derivative of x squared, when x is 2, is 4. And you might check this with a few different things that you're familiar with. Right. Also make sure that you read through this section in your manual, as it gives you a lot of different things to think about. But this is a way to take the only way you should be taking the derivative using your calculator. There are other ways to do it. It's this particular technique that you're expected to be using, and you shouldn't be using the other ones.